Thank you to Helix for sponsoring this video. Trying something a little bit different today. As you can tell, I'm not in the studio. I am standing. You can see my feet in this video. Wild. I wore cool shoes. I'm at Epcot, an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. And in this community, there are tons of characters that you can meet, over 20 different meet and greet characters at this park alone. So let's go find them, track them all down, show you where they are. Let's character meet and greet around the world. The park is full of character selfie spots starting at 9 a.m. You can find them right underneath Spaceship Earth, quite literally. Two of the original Fab Five, Pluto and Goofy. Pluto! You're so well behaved today. You're staying in the dog park? Most of the character meet and greets are all still socially distanced and just selfies. You can see behind me, they have the characters behind a brush so that we can't get too close to them, but we can take really great, fun, engaging selfies and still interact with them. What do you mean 2 weeks after I left you could start hugging? I need a hug. In the app, you can go from wait times to characters. And right there she is. She's gonna be here at 9:30. Everyone knows the best way to keep ducks anywhere is small white fence. I'll call you. All right. Hey, I'm back at the desk. Well, actually, I'm here for a purpose. It's to explain to you why I'm making this video. I'm talking about costume characters all the time, so I thought it was about time I headed into the parks to meet a few. I wanted to experience the park in a new way, a unique way, in a way that I have never experienced before. Going to Epcot can be whatever you want it to be. You don't have to go there to drink around the world. You can go there and do all kinds of fun challenges. To meet a few of the characters here at Epcot, you could just sneak into the gift shop of Journey into Imagination like a coward, or you could be a hero and ride the ride. Let's be heroes today. We're gonna ride Journey into Imagination. I'm a professional.
They told you not to interfere.
But you've got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination.
There are a couple indoor character meet and greet opportunities in Epcot, and here at the gift shop of Journey into Imagination, 2 of them can be found. Plus, they brought back the Rainbow Tunnel. Am I imagining things? Do you think I'm gonna come to this man's house and like shake his hand? The fact that I met his dog first, actually, you know what? That's pretty much how it's supposed to go, right? You come to his man's house, he greets you with his dog, then you wander a little bit back further into his property and you shake his hand and tell him how much you appreciate him. The character spots are not always exactly where they say they are in the map. They're not always be exactly what time they say they're going to be in the app. But you know what? Maybe that's part of the fun. Okay, we finally found Pooh Bear. Did you catch all those butterflies, Pooh? That was your hard work?
He's a pro.
Man.
Cute. Got it.
Can we get a Tony picture?
Oh, relative.
All these kids can't pick which one to catch for my delicious child dinner. Perhaps this child will do. You know what, guys? Running around Epcot, getting all steamy, meeting the characters has really tuckered me out. But that's good, because today's sponsor is going to give me a great night's sleep. Thank you to Helix Sleep for sponsoring this video. What is Helix Sleep? Helix Sleep makes premium mattresses and bedding that are customized to fit your needs and conveniently shipped right to your door. How do you order a Helix mattress? Everyone's different and Helix knows that. They made a sleep quiz to match your unique body type and sleep preferences to make the perfect mattress for you. They have something for everyone's unique taste, and if you sleep with a partner, you can even take a sleep quiz together and find something that's a perfect compromise for both of you. Based on my results, I'm getting the Midnight Lux! Vuvuzela noises. I've had my Helix mattress for a couple weeks now, and what I love the most about it is how comfortable I am. It has this medium firmness with both the hybrid coil and foam support. Personally, I am a side sleeper, so I love a hybrid mattress that combines coils and foam. Ooh, what a comfortable sleep. Plus, I couldn't believe how easy it was to take the quiz and buy online. With Helix Sleep Mattress, you get a 100-night sleep trial, along with a 10-year warranty, and there are financing options and flexible payment plans. If it makes you nervous to buy something you haven't tried yet, you get more than 3 months to make sure that you love it, and if you don't, they'll pick it up for you and you'll get a full refund. The best part about it is that Helix delivers the mattress right to your door for free within the US. It comes right in a box, all rolled up and easy to move into the bedroom. Click on the link below to go to helixsleep.com/DisneyDan for up to $200 off your Helix Sleep mattress plus 2 free pillows. Disney greets you at the opening of World Showcase with a Minnie Mouse meet and greet. Now behind her is subliminal messaging to encourage you to head around the World Showcase and consume. Don't believe me? Check it out. There's an argument about which side of World Showcase you should start on. And of course, the answer is always Mexico, because there are delicious frozen margaritas and delicious Mexican Donalds. There are tons of great character meet and greet opportunities at World Showcase at nearly every one of the pavilions. Anna and Elsa already have a 45-minute wait, and their meet and greet only opened 15 minutes ago, so we're gonna circle back after the big crowd empties out. You look beautiful. Yeah.
Is this as close as we can get?
You're magnificent. But my biggest #1 tip for interacting with characters is don't be shy. Once you get a costume character that can talk back, they're here to have fun. So have fun with them, because it's the coolest job in the world to be a princess.
Get those last minute photos, friends. We do need to go check on our gooseberry pie.
She's gotta get out of here. She's got pies. Characters make their appearances for approximately 30 minutes. So when you see that listed time, if you're within that 30-minute gap, head on over there. But if it's towards the tail end of 30 minutes away from the announced time, don't even bother. Likely the line's been closed and they're packing up shop. Does Snow White bake?
Yeah,
When?
right now. She's literally going to bake right now.
When does she bake?
Right now. She's going back there to bake.
The best part about meeting Elsa is as soon as you approach her house, you can feel her cold ice magic. Can we get a picture? Okay, I brought my rail fan. I love you photobombing back there. It's delicious. It's like the stalking sister. Pour one out for Gail! I don't know what happened the day I was running around Epcot. I waited at length multiple times throughout the day for a Jasmine to appear in Morocco, but she didn't. So maybe Jasmine just had the day off or something. That's good, honey. Maybe she needed a mental health day. You need to rest. Take care of yourself, all right? Take care of yourself is all I'm saying. So we didn't get to see Jasmine that day. The Jasmine Aladdin meet and greet in the back of Morocco is closed, but she makes appearances on the small stage in front of the land. Some character meet and greet locations are shared by two characters. Not like the Goofy and Pluto at the front of the park. They're friends. They can hang out, okay? But in the back and World Showcase, there are certain locations because certain countries have multiple famous Disney celebrities that have to share the spotlight. Most notably, France and England. You can meet Aurora in France, then cross a bridge and meet Alice, and then cross a bridge and meet Belle, and then cross a bridge and meet Mary Poppins. It's quite an afternoon. By the way, all of these character meet and greet experiences, almost 20 of them, are included in your park ticket for the day. That's impressive. But there are a couple more characters locked behind a paywall, some theme park DLC that is character dining. Most notably, my bros Chip and Dale, and that big old disco diner, spinning the booths with your scrambled eggs and waffles. It's connected to a large wheel that powers the current in Living with the Land that drives the boats. That's a fact that I just made up, but hopefully it becomes legend. That Princess Dining in Norway is about $60 a pop, and even the Garden Grill in Living with the Land area is about $40 a person. Character dining isn't cheap, but luckily Epcot is packed full of characters that you can meet without paying extra. Boy, I just spent the whole day wandering around Epcot meeting a ton of characters. Amazing. My gosh, I had so much fun with all of them. I know you've been to Epcot. Have you met all of these characters yet? Let me know which of the character experiences have been your favorite at Epcot. I love the interactivity with all of the people around the World Showcase. It's amazing. It is now super accessible for kids, super fun, tons of activities around the world. You don't just have to drink anymore. Well, I mean, still drink agua. Drink lots of water, man. It's steamy out there. Keep yourself hydrated, guys. God, Kenny is like a camel. He walks around with like 7 bottles of water strapped to his belt all the time. It's like, oh my God, you can't find a moment where he's not sipping water. He's a hydro homie. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Patreon, and a new Facebook page. Search me there for DIStory Dan. As always, thanks so much for watching, guys. It's so much fun running around the parks making stuff for you. I appreciate all your watches, all your likes, all your comments, all your subscribes, all your bell rings. Thanks for watching. You rock. More like experimental prototype construction of today. I love when the cast members tell everybody that like characters have to go away. It's my favorite thing. It's like Snow White put a pie in the oven, just put a 30-minute timer on. She's like, you know what? I gotta go meet some kids.
There's Minnie all the way across.
Look at these wild fish, bro. Look at them.